Hello and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable automatic downloads in Google Chrome Mobile. If you're tired of files downloading without your permission, this simple trick will help you regain control. Let's get started right away. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile phone. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Site Settings and tap it. Now, continue scrolling down until you see Automatic Downloads. Finally, tap on Automatic Downloads, then toggle the switch to turn it off. This will prevent sites from downloading multiple files automatically. That's all for this guide. Disabling automatic downloads helps protect your data and storage. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more simple tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.